What's up, guys? It's Gavin here, back with another video, and today we are going to be sitting here trying to catch us a bass at the little pond. You know, I'm just going to try to get me in it. Baseball started, I've been a little busy here and there, so this is my final chance to try to get out here. It's been raining, it's been cold. It's actually really cold right now, but we're going to see if we can catch one. I got some pretty cool lures tied on. One is a fluke, and I think I got a little baby swim bait on too. We're gonna see if we can't catch anything with that. But anyways, guys, I'll see y'all on the water. Alright guys, this is kind of weird because this water has dropped really bad, but we've been getting a lot of rain, so that's kind of confusing. Alright, let's try to catch a fish. We got this little baby swim bait on here. This one right here. See if we can't catch something with it. Alright, now we got the little fluke. See if we can't catch nothing with this. Oh. First cast. Got a warmouth on here. Pretty healthy guy. First one. On the fluke. They definitely want a slow moving bait. So I'm gonna just be casting this little fluke out here. Letting it sink all the way to the bottom. Another warmouth. There we go. Second one right here. Ah, broke me off. What the heck? Alright guys, so what I did here is I took the littlest tungsten weight I had. Littlest one. I mean, this thing is like my fingernail size. And then I got a little wacky rig hook, and I got a Guggen baits, like, I don't know what you would call this, drag and drop. I just kind of set it up in like a Texas rig kind of style. I mean, that's the littlest setup I got. We're gonna see if the fish like this. There he is. Another little warmouth right here. Got him. See if we can't catch another one on this little rig I got set up. Oh, there he is, there he is. Got him. There he is. By the nick of a hair, he was just right there. Had to jump down there and get him. This Googan bait is straight killing these guys. Like, I am slaying them today. I'll be bass fishing and I'll usually catch one or two, but right now I'm just like slaying these guys on these little baits. Alright guys, we got retied on right here after that just broke off. Oh my god. Now we got straight braid on here. See if we can't catch one. First bass today. Oh yeah, he was all up in those pads, son. That's a nice one. Got him a little fat belly on him. Gotta get that hook out. There it is. Couple snaps, it's all the way out. Let's get old fat guy in there. Alright, that was the last one, boys. What's up, guys? It's Gavin here, and we are ending the video. Yeah, I know. Short notice, but I got to go eat, you know? We caught a bunch of warmouth and like one little bass, but he was a nice size to him. Anyways, guys, craziest thing is I was using that little drag and drop, a little Googan bait, you know, drop shot worm. And I was Texas rigging it. It was the coolest thing. Those warmouth were tearing it up. But that was the coolest thing to me. You can really do anything with a Googan bait. Okay, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Load them comments up, and if you're new or old to me watching my videos, make sure you subscribe. Like, if you haven't, what are you doing? Come on. I'll see y'all guys on the next video.